everyone, this is my review of this neck phone holder or neck tripod. It comes with the neck tripod holder and an additional magnet ring here that you can use to stick onto your phone if it doesn't already have a ring magnet. Safety lanyard so you can hook your phone up to it and keep it from falling if it were to fall off. Additional strap so you can strap around your body to keep it more stable. The phone holder is easy to use. You just put it around your neck, then you lock it in, and there's a button on the side to release it, and you use the additional straps for stability. The part that holds your phone is magnetic, so you either need a metal case or a case that has a metal ring. But if you don't have that, you can use the ring this ring that comes with it to glue it onto the back of your phone because it has adhesive on there and it will stick onto the ring. This is what it looks like when it's all strapped up, and you can adjust the angle to where you need it. And I'm a pretty big guy and the strap fits all around me and it's comfortable on my neck and everything. This makes it very convenient so you can record anything that you need hands-free if you need to use both hands like I'm using here to record with my phone. So I hope this review helps.